We all know Facebook, we all have used Facebook. Let us now understand why exactly we should be doing Facebook marketing. These simple statistics will put a lot of attention that why Facebook is important. First of all, Facebook is the number one social network in terms of its number of users. It has about 2.6 billion people who are using Facebook. Okay, and daily about 66.53% of the users log in either from the mobile device or desktop. Okay, next, it is observed that 56.89% of the world's active internet users are accessing Facebook. So that's a huge amount of number. Okay, and the best number, if you can see, is this: 33.41% of world's total population is using Facebook every given month. If you observe, India is in the forerun of using Facebook. It has about 310 million people using Facebook as of 2020, followed by US, Indonesia, Brazil. So basically, most of the countries are using Facebook. With these statistics, it is proven that Facebook marketing is quite beneficial. But what are the exact benefits of Facebook marketing? Let us go and talk about it. So, here are a few points which I would like to discuss as benefits. Number one, you can target a wide variety and wide range of audience, right from teenagers to young professionals to married couples to mid-age audience to people who are from the luxury segment to people from the middle class segment. So you can target a wide range of audience. Second, it is possible to highly target the audience. That means you can target the people in a very minute segment also if you create one. Example, if you are doing marketing for First Cry and you want to target only mothers, okay, of babies of 0 to 12 months age living in Mumbai in a particular kilometer radius, then you can do it on Facebook. Okay, so that is why we call it, it's highly targeted. Next, it's easy to test. Easy to test means whether it is working for your business or not, whether your ad communication is working or not. It is very easy to test. Why? Because you can only spend about very minimum cost, like let's say 74.64, that's the minimum daily cost. So you can spend about 75 rupees in a day and test whether you are getting any amount of traction in terms of your ad copies. So that is why we call it, it's low cost marketing to begin with. And it's also easily scalable. That's the fifth point. It's easily scalable in terms of location. Example, you know that your ads are working very well for Pune location and you want to promote the ads now for, let's say, Bangalore and Mumbai location. Within few minutes you can expand your ad coverage to all these cities. Also, suppose you've already tested it for, let's say, 5 to 10,000 rupees, the particular ad campaign, and you know it is working. And if you want to scale your business by adding more budget to it, then that is also very possible in a very short amount of duration. And Facebook gives you a variety of ad formats. If you want image format, if you want video format, carousel ad formats, wide amount of ad formats are available to play around with, to test what works with your market and what doesn't work with your market. Next, Facebook ads are very measurable. Okay, when I say measurable, it means you can actually measure if you are spending about 5,000 rupees in an one ad campaign, then what exactly is the number of impressions? That means how many people actually saw your ad, how many people actually clicked on your ad. All these things you can measure. Next, multiple payment methods are available. You can pay via credit card, debit card, net banking, Paytm. All these payment methods are available. That means even startups, small businesses can work on Facebook comfortably in terms of its promotion, as well as multinational companies can comfortably work with Facebook ads. Next, Facebook ads can serve both to the B2C company. B2C means, example, Myntra. Myntra is serving audience which is like just individual people. So that is B2C. A company is serving individual people. Or B2B, where an IT company is creating softwares for other company. So a business is selling its service to other business, that is B2B company. So Facebook ads can help you run both the kinds of advertisement and get results for both of them. Of course, it is inclined more towards B2C, but B2B is also very much possible. Now, all you require is a little bit of creativity, and yes, it is possible. Next, it's possible to do full funnel targeting. What does that mean? Now, if we understand our marketing activities start in a particular manner, first phase wherein we want to create awareness about our brand. So, Facebook can help us do that. The second phase is we want our audience to consider to buy our product. That also is possible. The third phase is when we want our audience to buy it from us. Ensure you get the conversions. That is also possible on Facebook. Plus, there is also possible that if the consumer has interacted with your page or interacted with your ad, or the consumer has interacted with your website, or even if you have the email address of your potential customer, you can run the advertisement again to the same set of audience. So that's called remarketing. So all these kinds of facilities are available in Facebook, and hence Facebook marketing is one of the high potential advertisement media in digital, and one should not at all ignore it. Saying so, I would like to invite you to further explore all the videos in this session. We would be covering a wide variety of examples as well. So, see you in the next video.